Hi, I'm Matthew Fitzgerald with Salesdialers.com, and today we're going to take a look at how to make calls using Salesdialers and the built-in softphone called WebRTC. Now, making phone calls with Salesdialers using WebRTC just couldn't be any easier. The only thing that you need is a headset and a computer with an internet connection. There's no codes to enter. It's as easy as just clicking a button. So let's go take a look at how simple it is to use the WebRTC to make calls. All right, so I'm going to log into your agent account. First thing, you just want to make sure that your USB headset is attached to the computer. And then we're going to come up here to the upper right-hand corner and click on the Connect button. That will open up a new page inside the browser. And as soon as you hear the system say, you are now the only one in this conference, that's your confirmation that you are connected and ready to go. So you're just going to leave this page open, and you're just going to go back and click on the tab with your Salesdialers, and that's it. Now you're ready to make calls. You can either come down here and use the instant call button, or you can come over here and you can run a campaign. It's just that easy. I'm going to come over here. Press the play button, it'll load up the data, and begin dialing. It's that easy. A couple of clicks of a button, and you're all set. Now, let's say that while you're running the dialer, you need to enter in an extension number, or maybe you've hit a call tree where it's like press 1 for this, press 2 for that. You can simply come back to the Softphone tab, and there is a dial pad here where you can enter those numbers. And the last thing is, when you're done with your calling session, you can come up here to the upper right corner, this button with the 3 dots stacked on top of each other. And in here, there is a disconnect button, and you can just click that, and it will tell you that you've been disconnected from the bridge. And that's it. And that's how simple it is to make calls using Salesdialers and the built-in softphone WebRTC. A couple of clicks of a button, and you're all set. Thank you. Have a great day.